Hello, this is Crompton Energion Roverr Smart BLDC ceiling fan. So in this it is two colors available. This is shimmer brown as well as pristine white. So this is how it looks with LED. It's a 5-year warranty, multi-pairing function, point anywhere. So it comes with a remote. It's active BLDC technology. This is how it looks in white. You can check it out. So you can directly purchase from Crompton or else even you can purchase from us. The link I will provide you in description. So the company gives free installation and free service and a 5-year warranty. It's top rated products in the ceiling fan. So you can see this is a anti-rust ceiling fan. It also works with Amazon Alexa as well as Google. So you can switch the lighting between warm white, neutral white and cool white as you need. So you can check it. The material is aluminum body for fan and fan blade plus motor, and the LED is a plastic body. So it's a 5-star rated ceiling fan. It's just a 37 wattage and 230 volt. It's a painted finish type. Also you can see it includes this all. It's a good thing that AAA batteries are available, because in various fan which I have seen already, the fan company doesn't provide batteries. So this is a good reason to purchase. Also the quality is also good. The size is 1200 millimeter, that is nearly 48 inch, and rotation, its speed is 360 rotations per minute. It's a 5 speed and 3 blade. Its warranty is 5 years from the date of purchase. This is the contact number from which you can install the fan or registrations of warranty. You can contact them. So that's all. Thank you. If you like the product, please like, comment, subscribe. And if you want to purchase, you can purchase from our website. Link I will provide in description. Thank you.